Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm just gonna make a quick review of my FTMO challenge, how it's going. Yeah, so basically the way how we're seeing, to be honest, you know what happened here. I start trading literally 2 days before when this big news and changes came on, like unlimited trading period, yeah. So basically what happened, I start trading, yeah, and that's kind of the psychology stuff, yeah. The reason why I'm saying that is just because I took a trade, then I took a loss, then I took again loss, and I was somewhere here when I was in drawdown, and this unlimited trading period popped on. So I'm like, damn, I need to cover up. So my plan initially was like to make it back to the point, to the break even, or maybe above like $1. And then just stop trading, so then to get updated challenge like with unlimited times. But unfortunately what happened, due to the fact that I was so on rush, yeah, I was going down 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 down, I literally almost lost the account just because, let's just see, yeah, right here, 1 2 3, and here I was like start making those bags. So I risk here 1%, I lost, then I risk 1%, then again lost, then I risk 1 more percent, then I lost, and I was like total drawdown like 5% or something like that, 6. Basically I was in big drawdown. Oh yeah, look at that, and here, and here. So basically what happened after that, I was like, guys, Nick, you need to get back to normal, yeah. So what I start doing, I start taking like, I was saying I was saying like, yeah, we still got time by the 9th of or 8th of August, so I'm like, we should be good. And then I start taking decent trades, yeah. And look at this beautiful, look at this beautiful. Here is literally a win streak, but here I was taking like 1 to 1, something like that, and I was risking 0.5% only. The reason why I'm saying is, look at this beautiful curve, the way how it was going down. But anyway guys, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so basically what do we have here today? Before London, yeah, I had these zones, and I was basically looking to take shorts, yeah. And when I seen on this was the Asia high, I was expecting in London to come here to break this high, and then I'm gonna enter a trade. I enter a trade, I put my stop loss above this previous day high. So here is the liquidity. If it takes me out, it takes me out. And you know what's funny, because it literally came almost to the peep, yeah, almost to the peep, and then just reversed. And right now I think currently I'm floating, I'm just like around break even, to be honest. So yeah guys, basically you see right now I'm sitting at 99 100, so basically I need $900 to take it back if this price goes right to the here, because once my the position, if it gets here, I'm just gonna put this position break even, and I'm limit to run. If it gets up to this zone, I'm just gonna close like with a profit, and I'm gonna make it back. So yeah guys, here is nothing like special. You see, I was watching, this was support support support, then kind of resistance, support support, resistance resistance, then support, and now it breaks back down. If it goes back down, comes back here to retest, most likely it's gonna come to this area. If it breaks this one and it gets somewhere here, retest, most likely it's gonna come back to this one, and plus it's gonna be the Asia low. So I'm hoping and I'm praying that the market will gonna come to this area, so I can make it happen and to take my challenge back to the point where it was. So yeah guys, that's kind of is the update. And it's very simple, it's a break and retest strategy. You know me guys, the way how I'm So it is what it is. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for today. And guys, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.